practice speaking English about technology and social media. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we have an engaging conversation about technology and social media. You will learn useful vocabulary, practice long and natural English sentences, and gain confidence in discussing online habits, apps, and digital communication in real-life situations. To stay connected with our latest lessons, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with friends who are also learning English, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Now, let's begin and discover how to talk confidently about technology and social media in English.
Hi Daniel. Do you spend much time on social media these days?
Hi Emma, yes, I do, but I try to limit my screen time so that I can focus on other activities.
That sounds wise. I sometimes feel like I spend too many hours scrolling without noticing.
I know what you mean. These platforms are designed to keep us engaged for as long as possible.
Which apps do you use most often?
Mostly Instagram and LinkedIn, but sometimes I also check Twitter and YouTube.
I use Instagram a lot too. It's great for photos, but sometimes I get distracted by endless stories.
Exactly. The stories feature is addictive because it disappears after 24 hours.
Do you think social media has more positive or negative effects?
I think it is both. It connects people easily, but it can also create pressure and comparison.
Yes. Sometimes I feel anxious when I see perfect photos of other people's lives.
That's very common. People often show only the best parts of their lives online.
Do you post often on your accounts?
Not really. I prefer to share meaningful updates instead of posting every day.
I see. I sometimes post my travel photos because my friends enjoy seeing them.
That's a great use. Travel photos inspire others and also keep memories alive.
Have you ever taken a break from social media?
Yes. Last year I deleted the apps for 1 month, and it really improved my focus.
That's interesting. Did you miss it during that time?
At first, yes, but after a few days I felt calmer and more productive.
I think I should try that too.
Even a short break can help you see how much time you spend online.
What do you think about online learning platforms?
They're fantastic. I've taken several courses online, and it's so convenient.
Yes, I agree. You can study from anywhere if you have internet access.
Exactly. It makes education more accessible to people all over the world.
Do you think technology has improved communication?
Definitely. We can talk instantly with people across the globe.
True. But sometimes I miss face-to-face conversations.
Me too. Technology should support, not replace, human interaction.
Have you tried using AI chatbots?
Yes, they gave quick answers and made the process more efficient.
That's amazing. Did they actually help you?
Yes, they gave quick answers and made the process more efficient.
Do you think AI will replace human jobs?
Some jobs, yes, but it will also create new opportunities we cannot imagine yet.
I see. It feels exciting but also a little scary.
That's normal. Every new technology brings both benefits and challenges.
Do you use apps to manage your time?
Yes, I use calendar apps and to-do lists to stay organized.
I rely on reminders. Otherwise, I forget things.
That's one of the best advantages of smartphones. They keep us on track.
What about online shopping? Do you buy things frequently?
Yes, I shop online for clothes, books, and electronics because it saves time.
I shop online too, but I worry about quality sometimes.
Reading reviews carefully usually helps avoid problems.
Do you trust online payments completely?
Mostly, yes, but I always use secure websites and avoid public Wi-Fi.
That's smart. I once had my card details stolen after an online purchase.
I'm sorry to hear that. Cybersecurity is a serious issue nowadays.
Do you think social media is good for business?
Absolutely. Many small businesses grow quickly thanks to online marketing.
Yes, I follow some local shops on Instagram, and their posts attract me.
Exactly. Social media helps businesses connect directly with customers.
What about fake news? It spreads so fast online.
That's a big problem. People need to check reliable sources before believing anything.
Do you ever read comments on posts?
Sometimes, but many comments are negative or unhelpful, so I avoid them.
Yes. Online arguments can be toxic.
True, it's better to focus on positive and respectful discussions.
Have you tried video calls with family abroad?
Yes, I talk to my cousin in Canada every week using video calls.
That's wonderful. Technology really makes distance smaller.
Yes, it brings people closer even when they are far apart.
Do you think children use too much technology?
In many cases, yes, too much screen time can affect their health and studies.
Parents should set limits, I think.
Exactly. Balance is important, especially for young people.
Do you like ebooks or printed books?
I like both. E-books are convenient, but printed books feel special.
I agree. I love the smell and touch of real books.
Yes, some experiences can't be replaced by technology.
Do you watch movies on streaming platforms?
Yes, I use Netflix and sometimes Disney+.
Streaming is cheaper than going to the cinema often.
True, but the cinema experience is still unique and exciting.
Do you play video games?
Occasionally, they are fun but can be addictive if not managed.
My brother spends hours gaming every day.
That's common. It's important to balance games with other activities.
What do you think about virtual reality?
VR is fascinating. It makes experiences feel so real, from games to training.
I've never tried it, but I'd love to.
You should. It's like stepping into another world.
Do you think robots will become part of our daily lives?
Yes, in some countries, they already help in restaurants, hospitals, and homes.
That's amazing. I can't imagine a robot serving me food.
It's happening already in Japan and other advanced places.
How do you manage your data privacy online?
I use strong passwords, avoid suspicious links, and update apps regularly.
I need to improve my habits. Sometimes I use the same password everywhere.
That's risky. It's safer to create different passwords for each account.
Do you think social media affects relationships?
Yes, sometimes people spend more time online than with their partners or friends.
That's true. I've seen couples sitting together but both looking at their phones.
Yes, it's ironic. Technology connects us, but it can also separate us.
What about influencers? Do you follow any?
I follow a few, but I try not to believe everything they promote.
Same here. Some are inspiring, but others just advertise products.
Exactly. It's important to be critical when consuming online content.
Have you ever joined an online community or forum?
Yes, I joined a photography forum, and it's helpful to get tips and share experiences.
That sounds interesting. I joined a cooking forum recently.
Forums are great because people with similar interests can support and learn from each other.
Do you think social media can help with learning new skills?
Absolutely. You can find tutorials, live classes, and discussion groups for almost anything.
I learned a few photography tricks on YouTube last month.
That's a perfect example. Video tutorials make learning practical and fun.
Do you think technology reduces our attention span?
It can, especially with short videos and constant notifications.
Yes. I notice it's hard to focus on one task for a long time.
That's why setting limits and taking breaks is very important.
How often do you check your phone during the day?
I try to limit it to specific times, but sometimes I check notifications too often.
Me too. I think notifications are addictive.
Exactly. Turning off non-essential notifications can help manage screen time.
Do you use cloud storage for your files?
Yes, it's convenient for accessing documents and photos from any device.
I should start using cloud storage. I often lose files when my computer crashes.
Cloud storage solves that problem and also allows easy sharing with friends.
Do you use online banking or payment apps?
Yes, they're very convenient, but I always ensure security and check transactions regularly.
I started using them recently, and it saves a lot of time.
Definitely, managing finances digitally is much easier than visiting banks every time.
How do you handle online meetings?
I make sure my camera, microphone, and internet connection work well before joining.
I sometimes feel nervous on video calls.
That's normal. Practicing and preparing can reduce anxiety significantly.
Do you think technology will continue to evolve rapidly?
Yes, new innovations appear every year, changing how we live, work, and communicate.
AI and smart devices are everywhere now.
True, they make life convenient but also raise questions about privacy and ethics.
How do you protect your personal information online?
I avoid sharing sensitive details, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication.
I should do that. Sometimes I feel exposed online.
Taking precautions is essential. It reduces the risk of hacks and identity theft.
Do you enjoy online gaming?
Occasionally, multiplayer games are fun, but they can also be time-consuming.
I tried an online game once, and I couldn't stop playing.
That's why moderation is important. Balance gaming with other activities.
How do you use technology for work productivity?
I use project management apps, reminders, and calendars to stay organized.
I need to be more disciplined with my work apps.
Creating routines and limiting distractions can improve efficiency.
Do you think technology affects mental health?
It can, especially excessive social media use, but it can also provide mental health resources.
That's true. There are apps for meditation, therapy, and stress relief.
Exactly. Using technology wisely can improve overall well-being.
How do you manage online notifications?
I disable unnecessary alerts and check messages at scheduled times.
That's a good idea. I always feel overwhelmed by constant notifications.
Reducing alerts can help focus and reduce stress.
Do you use video platforms like YouTube for learning?
Yes, I follow channels for English, technology updates, and cooking tutorials.
I watch language learning videos, and they help me practice pronunciation.
That's an excellent method. Listening and repeating improves fluency.
How do you balance screen time with offline life?
I set limits, schedule outdoor activities, and spend time with friends and family.
I sometimes forget to take breaks, especially during work from home.
Short breaks every hour improve focus and reduce eye strain.
Do you follow tech news online?
Yes, it helps me stay updated about innovations, apps, and gadgets.
I find new apps and tools very helpful for learning and productivity.
I find new apps and tools very helpful for learning and productivity.
Do you use social media for networking?
Yes, LinkedIn is useful for professional connections and learning from experts.
I should create a more professional profile online.
That helps employers, colleagues, and collaborators find you.
How do you avoid spending too much money online?
I track expenses, set budgets, and avoid impulsive online purchases.
That's smart. I sometimes buy things I don't really need.
It happens to many people. Awareness and planning help control it.
Do you think online communities are positive?
They can be, as long as people respect each other and share helpful information.
Some forums are toxic though, with negative comments.
That's why choosing communities wisely is important.
How do you protect children from too much screen time?
Set limits, encourage outdoor activities, and monitor online interactions.
Yes. Balance is key for young learners.
Absolutely. Technology is useful when used responsibly.
Do you think AI will replace teachers or doctors someday?
It may assist them, but human judgment and empathy are irreplaceable.
That's reassuring. I worry about AI replacing jobs.
New technologies often create new opportunities as well.
How do you avoid misinformation online?
I check reliable sources, compare news, and avoid sharing without verification.
That's smart. I've seen so many false news articles on social media.
Critical thinking is very important in the digital age.
Do you think technology improves education?
Definitely, online courses, e-books, and virtual classrooms make learning more accessible.
I enjoy learning online. It's flexible and convenient.
And you can learn from experts around the world, not just locally.
Do you think we rely too much on technology?
Sometimes, yes. It's important to balance offline and online activities.
I'll try to reduce unnecessary screen time and focus on productive activities.
That's a great approach. Technology should serve you, not control you.
Any final tips for using social media and technology wisely?
Stay aware, set limits, use apps for learning and productivity, and always protect your privacy.
Thank you, Daniel. I feel more confident about managing my time online and using technology responsibly.
You're welcome, Emma. Technology is powerful when used smartly and mindfully.